Hello, I'm Patrick with Cisco-Eagle. Welcome to Shoptalk. Scrap carton disposal can be a big issue in warehousing and distribution operations. Order fulfillment systems can generate lots of empty cartons, which must be removed from order picking lines quickly and efficiently. There are two basic conveyor types for trash disposal, each with its own advantages. Overhead conveyors function sort of like a ski lift for empty cartons. Pickers place cartons on suspended carriers once they're emptied. The conveyor transports those carriers up and away, then tilts to deposit them into hoppers, balers, or other destinations. Overhead systems leave all of your floor space for other functions. They're extremely flexible for diverts and changes in direction. Overhead systems can incline and change directions easily so that they will work in all kinds of layouts. Now let's look at another option, flat belt trash conveyors. Flat belt trash conveyors have angled guards to create a trough that contains empty cartons. The conveyor runs through picking zones at reach height, then dumps the waste into bins, balers, or other destinations for processing. How do belt conveyors stack up against overhead conveyors? Belt conveyors can incline, decline, and divert, but not as fluidly as overhead carrier systems. Like overhead systems, you can ceiling hang belt conveyors to conserve floor space. Belt conveyors are better for high volumes. They provide high throughput because it's easier to place cartons on them. Workers don't have to wait for an empty carrier or position the carton. When determining your options, consider these factors. How many cartons are being processed per day, per shift, per hour? How fast do you need to remove these cartons? How much time can you spend on the process? How many sizes and types of cartons are involved? What space do you have available for the process? Is your ceiling space capable of supporting a conveyor system in terms of space and weight? Where is corrugate waste being generated? Shipping, picking, receiving, etc. Where are you sending empty corrugate? To a bin, baler, or recycling area? Ideally, you should weigh these considerations during the design phase of a new system. But it is possible to implement trash conveying systems in existing systems. Thanks for watching Shop Talk. Give us a call or visit cisco-eagle.com for more information.